Hello everyone! I'm Nimas from International Program on Science Education 2019. Today we're gonna do experiment about sublimation. The objective of these experiments, you will be able to perform separating mixture through sublimation process. Before we jump to the experiments, let's watch this video.
Topic: sublimation. Why do mothballs disappear over time? Wow, you have a nice collection of clothes. But have you kept mothballs to protect them?
Yeah. I'd kept them a few months back below these clothes. Hey, where did the mothballs go? I placed them right here. Did you steal them?
No, I haven't stolen anything. Mothballs disappear over time. Do you know why? It is because of a process called sublimation. During sublimation, a solid on heating converts directly into vapor without passing through the intermediate liquid state.
Don't lie. How is that even possible? See, I also hit a burger here many days ago. It did not disappear.
Ooh, gross. Just throw that burger in the dustbin. Not all substances sublimate. Mothballs are made up of naphthalene. Naphthalene has very weak intermolecular forces. Because of these weak forces, the mothball, which is made up of naphthalene sublimates, that is, it changes its state from solid to vapor. Now, this vapor is either absorbed by the fabric or it escapes into the atmosphere, causing the mothballs to disappear over time.
From that video, we can know why mothballs disappear over time. Yeah, it's because of sublimation process. And what do you know about sublimations? Yeah, that's good answer, student. Sublimation is a process when solid directly changes into gas without passing liquid step. Before conducting the experiments, we have to prepare equipment and material needed. Let's prepare. We need a plastic cup, a plate, Play-Doh, and contaminated naphthalene. Let's do the experiment. But first, don't forget to using mask and please do experiment at outdoor place. The first, what should you do with the contaminated naphthalene to get a color system? Yeah, we should take some contaminated naphthalene in a bowl or plate and cover it with the plastic cup. What should you do? Do not let any of vapor to escape or enter the bottle. Yeah, we should cover the bottom of the bottle using the Play-Doh so that no vapor enters. After we set up the tool, what we need to make the naphthalene change into gas? We should keep the seat up in the sunlight. After put set up on the sunlight, you can explain the change in form that occur in contaminated naphthalene, and then you can fill the table on your worksheet. Alright, let's jump to the discussion. Do you know what is the effect of sunlight to contaminate naphthalene? Yeah, that's right. Sunlight makes naphthalene change from solid directly into gas state. And what is resulting on the wall of plastic cup? Yeah, the naphthalene become crystallized. What substance that remain on plate? Same, and some of the leftover naphthalene powder? Yeah, that's okay. After conducting the experiments, what is the conclusion that you get? Alright, according to the experiments, we can separate certain substance by sublimation, and the principle of the mixture separation method by sublimation is based on the mixture of substance that have one substance that can sublimate, while other substance cannot sublimate. If you have another conclusion, you can start comment below. That's all. Thank you for watching and see you another experiments. Bye bye.